Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. And now today we will discuss our data handling chapter. Mean already discussed in the previous videos. Mean one questions related to mean we will do today also. Your question number 15 of exercise 15A. One question. The mean weight of a class of 20 students is 48 kg. Two more students weighing 60 kg and 58 kg respectively join the class. What is the mean weight of class now? Mean, what is the meaning by mean? That is the average. Okay, how to mean? Find out. We have the formula that mean is equal to sum of all observation divided by number of observation. What is the formula of mean? Sum of all observation divided by number of observation. In this question, see what is given to you. The mean weight of a class of 20 students. It means number of students in a class. Mean weight 48 kg. टू मोर स्टूडेंट, इट मीन्स पहले क्लास में 20 स्टूडेंट्स थे, अब 2 मोर स्टूडेंट्स ने ज्वाइन कर लिया. इट मीन्स टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट नाउ बिकम 22 एंड वेट ऑफ अदर 2 स्टूडेंट is also given. Then you have to find out the mean weight of the class now. Then firstly see here, mean is given to you, number of student given to you. It means we can find out that sum of weight of all student, sum of weight of 20 student is equal to, formula become mean multiply by number of student. Mean value is given to you 48, number of student 20, it means it become 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8 or 1 9 60 kg. 2 more student added, then number of students now 2 more students, it means 20 plus 2 becomes 22 students, and sum of weight of 22 students. How to find out? 20 student weight 960 plus 2 more student weight 60 kg and 58 kg. Then it become 8 5, 6, 11 और 6, 17, 9 और 1, 10. 1078 kg. Now new mean means now mean of class, new mean, because we are finding now the mean for 22 students, that is equal to sum divided by number of students. Cut it. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, 11, 11 4s are 44, then 99, 11 4s are 44, 11 7s are 99. It means new mean. Now the mean weight of class is equal to 49 kg. So you can solve, you can complete your mean related exercise 15th A properly. Now today we will discuss new topic, that is a median. See now the new topic, median. Median, we can take the word mid value. It means if any data is raw data is given to you, firstly we will arrange in the ascending order or descending order and then take the middlemost value, that is called the median of that particular data. Or we can say median is a set of numbers in the middle number when all the numbers are arranged in the order in size, that is descending or ascending. Means हम चाहे numbers को ascending order में arrange कर रहे हैं चाहे descending order में arrange कर रहे हैं, तो उसका जो middle one number होगा that is called the median. Now it depends if numbers are even or odd. Suppose I have 20, 23, 19, 25. These 5 number I have. Firstly, I will arrange in ascending or descending order. I am arranging in ascending order. Then 18, 19, 20, 23, 25. You can see which number is middlemost. 2 leave from here, 2 leave from here. Then this one is the middlemost number. So, what is the median of this given data? That median is equal to 20 here. But if in the case total number we arrange are even number of data given to you, then see if I left these two, then in middle I have these two numbers. I can't take only 20. If I take only 20, then here 2, but here becomes 3 numbers. If I take only 23, then here 3 and here 2. It means I have to take the both number, 20 and 23. Then how can I find out the median? Median is equal to, now take the average of these two numbers. It means take the sum of these two numbers and divide by 2. This is called the average also. Then median becomes 21.5. So, it depends on the numbers. If even number of data given to you and if odd numbers are data given to you. Let's see the examples. what is the median weekly salary of workers in a firm whose salaries are, उनकी salaries दी गई है ₹84, ₹60, ₹50, 40, 45, 42, 38, 65, 71. Again see, what is the median weekly salary of workers in a firm whose salaries are these? Then what we will do, firstly we arrange this salary in ascending order, and then see the minimum salary here ₹38. Then after ₹40, 42, ₹45, ₹60, sorry 50. Then after ₹60, ₹65, 71, ₹84. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 laborer here. Then salary are arranging firstly in ascending order. Now see the middlemost number. Middlemost number, if we leave these 3, then here, sorry, 1, 2, 3. Remaining 1, 2, 3 again, it means we take 4 here, 4 here, then this one. It means median weekly salary of workers, median of weekly salary of workers is equal to ₹50. Okay, one more things, find the median salary of the following salaries of workers. One more question given to you, ₹56, 89, 121, 38, 98, ₹70, 70, 2 times 72. Same thing, firstly we arrange it in ascending order. Ascending order, when you arrange, then minimum salary ₹38. Then after 56, then after 70, 70, 72, 89, 120, sorry 98, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Total 8 here. Then 8 divided by 2, 4. So if you take 4 here, 4 here, then no one middle value. It means we take 3 here and then 3 here. Then you have 2 middlemost value here. Because it is a even numbers. Even numbers, then we take 2 middlemost value for finding the median. Then what is the median? Median is average of these two salary, that is ₹70 plus ₹72 divided by 2. It becomes 142 divided by 2, that is 71 rupees. So we can say the median of this salary is equal to ₹71. Okay, now see the some questions from exercise. So whenever you have odd number of values, firstly arrange in the ascending order, then take the middlemost value. Or whenever you have even number of data, then take the 2 middlemost value and then take the average. For the median, take the average of these two values. Okay, see one question. One question is given to you. If the median of question number 8 of your exercise, if the median of 46, 64, 88, 40, X, 76, 35, 91, 56, 32 and 91 is 58. Find the value of X. It is given to you median of these given data is 58, then find the value of X. Same thing, firstly we will arrange into the ascending order. Ascending order, how to arrange? 32, then after 46, 32, then after 35, after 35 you can say 40, 46, then 56, after this 64, 88, 91, 91, total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 who is remaining 46, 32, then 35, okay, 2, then 46, 40, then 46, 4, 64, 56, 64, 88, 76, 76, 88, 91, 91. See here, you have to find out the value of X. अब ये X को कहाँ अरेंज किया जाए? Firstly, see number of values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Odd number, it means middlemost value is the median. Now see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 here only. Then where we arrange the X, median is given 58. यहाँ कहीं भी 58 given है, not given, it means we take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here X. Now see, if you take here 5 observation, here 5 observation, it means this X is median here. It means median is equal to X here. And median is given to you 58, it means the value of X is equal to 58. So now you can complete your 15B exercise in your notebook, and then after in the next lecture we will discuss about the mode. Thank you students, have a nice day.